Hello guys, welcome to your channel Ray of Hope, and we are moving towards our practical sessions. We recently started our like a series for the Bob shoot, and we completed some of the theoretical part of it. So today we will be covering the practical session on Bob shoot and the tools that we talk about, which was interceptor, right? So we will see today how exactly this interceptor works. Okay, so let it get open, run. It may take few couple of seconds. If you guys needed professional version, do reach me out over LinkedIn, or you can just ping me in the comment box. Next, start Bob. Okay, finally this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard of our Bob shoe. Okay, it could be different in whatever versions you are using. Okay, so nothing to worry about it. The UI could be different, but the features will be same only, right? Okay, so we were talking about intercept, right? Basically, okay, in proxy tab we have one option called intercept. Okay, intercept on and off, on and off. We have one option called forward, drop, actions. When we intercept the data, we if we want to forward that, we can forward, right? If we want to completely drop, I mean I just don't want to do anything, we can drop it. And if we want to take some actions like this, send to spider, do active scan, send to intruder, repeater, sequencer, etc, right? Basically, interceptor, what exactly works? It intercept the traffic. Suppose now I am just searching facebook.com. Okay, I search. Okay, you can see, right, our search is working. And what if I'm gonna go ahead and if I on the proxy, if I on the proxy, right? Okay, I'm gonna talk about it. Okay, and now if I am doing a search facebook.com, let me first go ahead, and these are the answer result I'm getting over here. I'll be talking about it. Facebook, I just hit enter. Okay, and if you find it is still loading, it is not showing us anything. Why? Okay, so I was talking about this get request. Okay, see, let me zoom it for you. Okay, so now this is the request that this proxy capture. You can find out host is facebook.com cookie. Over here, if I just click, suppose if I just do, I close the bob suit, what results will I get? See, the proxy server is refusing connection. That means when we intercept the data or HTTP request, right, it store either Burpsuite, it will not only forward the data, neither it will drop the data, it will wait for your action, right? What do you want? Do you want to forward that data, you want to drop the data, or you want to perform some sort of action on it, right? So basically, let me open the Burpsuite Professional again and we'll see what happen if we forward the data, right? So just a moment. Next, start Burp. See, professional version and community version, there is no difference actually, okay? Both are almost same actually. Now again, I'll go to proxy, intercept. You will find always on whenever you open your Burpsuite, okay? Now facebook.com, again I enter, hit and enter, search is going on, it must have intercept the data, okay? Just a moment. Okay, now we are on this. See, we are not performing any actions. Can you see the search is still going on, right? It won't do anything, it won't do even for an hour. If you like keep it like this only and you are not performing and your system is on, right, you're working on other thing but you're not performing doing anything, it will keep on searching only, okay, just loading only, okay? But once you just do forward, what will happen? There you go. Now we are on this proxy session. What I'm gonna do now, I'll just stop this proxy for a while. Okay, let it be only, and you just see that we got another response. See, whenever you perform a task, do a search on this, right, you are not only performing the one search, right, there might be another search which is going on automatically actually, okay? So even if I forward this all the data again and again, it will come again. Just wait for a second, another request will come, okay? So this is the part actually. Now I just let me open my call, okay? I think, yeah, another request came, I forward that, okay? So this is what gonna happen. Now let me first off the proxy listener, if and only I can over here in my OApps BVWA actually, which is the vulnerable insecure web application that we downloaded, right? I can find it, its IP 192.168.128.193. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open this over here, 192. Okay, now you can find that we are on this, okay? I'll open this.
Welcome to our channel, Ray of Hope. We're excited to have you here. Our mission is to shed light on complex issues that affect us every day, providing you with the knowledge you need to navigate this modern world. Today, we're delving into a topic that's increasingly important, yet often misunderstood: cybersecurity. So get ready to decrypt the complex world of digital safety with us.
Okay, that was the overview of my channel, okay? So see, now if I just click test, okay, admin or admin, admin. Okay, I am able to log in. You can see, right? I am able to get into the dvwa. Okay, now log out. I just logged out of it. Okay, so let it get logged out actually. In the meantime, now I'll open the proxy again, Foxy proxy. Okay, it's on now. My proxy is on. Okay, I am putting right password. Okay, admin. I click login. See, it's admin, right? It will not be doing on anything unless I response from over here. You need to have the understanding that which request you have to forward, which request you have to uh, drop, and you have to take action. So this has nothing to do. I'll forward that. Now, post request. Why post request? I have covered one video about it. You can refer to. Okay, now host is this. You can see admin and admin. I'm gonna do like what I'm gonna do, 1 2 3. Okay, just a moment. 1 2 3. Oh, 1 2. Okay, so I have put it, I have changed the data actually. Okay, so earlier it was admin and admin, now admin 4526522. Okay, and what if I forward? Will I be able to log in? Let's see. Login failed. How did that happen? I put the right password over here, right? But just because we were able to intercept the data and we changed the data, therefore it is showing that we could not log in. That means there is a vulnerability over here. Okay, what kind of vulnerability is there, we will be talking in future. Now if I am putting like admin, and the name password is ray of hope, what will happen now? Again, I'll intercept the data. Okay, now you can see the password is username is admin, password is RayofHope. Okay, so if I just do admin, I intercept the data, I change the password, and now I'm going to forward this. What will happen? See, oh cool, I'm able to get into this account. You guys got it? What I was trying to make you understand, that this interceptor is a really good tool, right? You can intercept the data, you can play with data, because you can change the data, right? And now you can, we learn about now this forward only. Okay, okay, so now if I just do log out again, I must have got something. Get request, no, this is not the right. Okay, now this is the, you can find out get request. What if I just do drop out, drop, what will I get over here? Request was dropped by the user. You got it? You got it? That's what I was trying to tell you, that it will intercept the data. You can able to, you can forward the data, you can drop the data. Now if I click back, it will intercept the data again. Or if I'm doing local host. Okay, so if I do action, that's I was telling you at the beginning only. You can send to spider, do an active scan, send to intruder, repeater, sequencer, compare, and all those things. We will be learning about it. For as for today only, this is much. So just play with intercept as much that as you can, learn about it, and if you need any help, feel free to comment, and I would be happy to assist you. And please do like, comment, and share your views in the comment section. Share with your friends who needs to watch this. Thank you again.